once you have the shape of the block, so in this case I have a triangle with 3 rectangles, type in the command line ATTDEF, and the tag is the name of the attribute, so in this case ID. Prompt is what's going to show on the screen, so I'm going to type something like enter your ID, and we can make some adjustments to make sure that this attribute is aligned, and then click OK. Now I can place this attribute anywhere on the shape, so for example here, and then once I'm done, I'm going to type in the command line block, name the block, so here it will be ID block. The base point corresponds to the insertion point, and then the objects will consist of everything here, including the attribute. And once this is done, hit OK, and it tells you now to enter your ID. So we're going to type something like 2, and now every time you insert the same block, it will prompt you to enter the ID one more time.